Howdy, hello, it's Martha with Martha's Creative Life. I have for you today something very patriotic and floral to share with you. Cotton Cuts asked me in 2023 to be their Floral States of America ambassador, and I happily said, of course, I'd love to help out. So what I have for you today is the very first package. But before we get started, at the end of the video, I'm gonna have something special to share with you that will help you along your journey with Cotton Cuts and Floral States of America. So I got in the mail my package, yay! And it says on the front, caution, contains creativity, inspiration, and unbridled joy. Ain't that the truth? So what I did is I went ahead and cut it open right here, but I didn't peek yet until just now. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we've got. But first, let me tell you about the program. Maybe I should tell you about that first. It is a 10-month program. It comes with 5 pre-cut blocks each month. Cotton Cuts partnered up with Andover Fabrics for this amazing adventure. And along with the 5 pre-cut blocks that you'll put together when you get your package, it also has some educational tidbits, and that's going to be something I'm going to share with you at the end. I just gave you a little bit of a tease spoiler on how you can keep track of your educational cards that you're going to get. So how it'll be, it's $30 a month. You can prepay up front if you want to. It's $30 a month. You will get free shipping in the United States. If you're outside of the United States, if you prepay all up front, you'll get the free shipping on that. Also going to get a free finishing kit. There'll be 2 ways you can put your quilt together when you put all your blocks together, if you choose to do it that way. The blocks are going to be 8 by 8. There's straight stitching. There's no Y seams. There's no paper piecing. I am slow at paper piecing, as you all know. And so I'm just super excited. What I do have to share with you, if you put in your order Martha's Stars, because my subscribers, my friends, are my stars, you get a free oops kit. And the oops kit is not fat eighths, it's fat quarters. So don't forget to put that in when you go to order your Floral States of America. So let's stop the talking. Let's open up this package. Yay! Okay. Okay, so comes in this beautiful package. I love these stickers. I have them all over my machine. I have them all over my filing cabinet. And I have something special that you can use these stickers with. If you are careful to take it off, you can actually keep that sticker. Who knew that such a sticker, silly little sticker like this, would make me so happy? There. All right, so as we open up the package, we have got the cards, the 4x6 cards. Oh wow, so see, I haven't seen any of this, so this is all new for me. So the Wild Wild West is the most current PMQ that's going to be happening in here soon, so you can sign up for that now. So that just tells you a little bit about Wild Wild West PMQ. And in all of them, you get your Cotton Cuts block of the month. This one is block number 6024. Those are always fun, and you can actually color your own on the back if you want to make that unique and special. So we have this awesome, amazing map of the United States. Then you have pencils to go along with it. On the back, this is pretty cool. It actually tells you what's gonna come each month. June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, and March. So it shows you all of the fabrics and all of the states. So I'm in Florida. No, I'm not in Florida. I used to be in Florida. I am in Alabama, and Alabama Where is Alabama? Oh wow, it's like close all the way down here. Here's Alabama. I'm from Florida, so these are the ones that became part of the United States first. So that's how they decided how to send us our blocks, is by the states that became first. So it says color this map as we release each state block. Head over to cottoncuts.com/floral color challenge, upload a photo of this sheet, and be entered to win a $25 gift certificate. So there's going to be one winner per month. So there's 5 here. So go in and color in the 5 states, take a picture of it, upload it to where it tells you to upload it to, and they'll pick a winner for a $25 gift certificate. That sounds pretty awesome. So that's going to be something neat to do. I love to color. Loved to color when I was a kid. Still like doing it as an adult. So let's go ahead and look at these beautiful fabrics and cards. Let me see. I am not a history person, so this is giving me a chance to learn a lot. So Delaware is the actual first state. So if we open, oh, there's another sticker. If we open it up, oh, I messed up that sticker. Now these blocks are going to be 8 by 8 when you're done. So if you open it up, you have your card. It's front and back. Then you have your fabrics. And what's so neat is they're already pre-cut. Makes life so much fun and so easy, and you actually can get something done quickly. All right, so then there's a little just an information sheet that comes with it. It comes with all of the PMQs. When the gnomes came out, they all had little information sheets. So it tells you the state block, the pieces that you get, tells you how many pieces you have. If you're missing anything, or if you ever have any problems, you can always contact them at PMQ support, and they'll get you sewing in no time. So then it just gives you the instructions on how to sew this together. How cool is that? Some people that I've seen already doing these, they say they got them done in like 10-15 minutes, so it doesn't take a whole lot of time to get it done. So that's Delaware. Now I'm not going to open up all of them because I want to make sure that I keep them together, but I will show you the cards. So the next state is Pennsylvania, and then here's the fabrics here. Then after that is New Jersey, and it's the Garden State. And then here is the fabrics on the back. And then Georgia, the Peach State. I love peaches. Funny thing enough, I love peaches. I love fresh peaches, but I don't like anything peach flavored. Go figure. And that's got the flowers on it. Super pretty. And then Connecticut. And then there's the flowers on the back. So Andover Fabrics has fabrics for every single state that's in the United States, all 50. So that's pretty amazing that they were able to do that. So the Delaware, their flower is peach blossom. Pennsylvania is mountain laurel. New Jersey is the purple violet. Georgia is the Cherokee rose. And Connecticut is the mountain laurel. So these are actually going to come together very well and very pretty. So on, like, let's say Delaware, since Delaware was the first state, it tells you what the capital is. It tells you when it became a state. It tells you the state bird. It tells you the state flower, the production of what Delaware is all about, like soybeans, corn, watermelon, one of my favorite. It tells you how the area of the state, famous person, interesting fact, and it'll tell you a quilt shop that you can visit. Blue Hen Quilt Shop in Newark, Delaware is where you could go visit a quilt store if you're up in that area. This is going to be fun to put together. So What I will do on the next video is we will put these blocks together. Today was just the unboxing. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any comments, please go ahead and like this video and leave me a comment down below, and then that way I can get back to you. But if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help. The next thing that I want to share with you is I was talking to my friend Nancy, who's also a subscriber to the channel, and she was talking, she's like, Martha, I love these cards. You know, I'm not really a person that remembers a lot of history. And I'm like, I get it. I'm the same way. She goes, but wouldn't it be nice to have something that we could put our cards in? So I thought that was an amazing idea. So I looked online on Amazon and found something after I had talked to another friend of mine. So what I was looking for is a photo album that, because these cards are 4x6, that we could put them in, but you need to be able to see it front and back. So I reached out to Donna over at Handmade by Ying. Donna, she has her own channel. I'll link her down below. She has a link for me for Amazon. She's an affiliate with Amazon. So I said, hey Donna, do you have a link for some photo albums that would hold about 50 cards? And she goes, girl, yes I do. Let me send you the link. So the link will be down below. You can pick whatever photo album that you would like, but I found a 2-pack for $10. So today they're $9.99. I don't know if the price will change, but I wanted to share with you what I found. They came in a 2-pack and they come in different colors. So I picked black, and you can take out this little piece here because it's just got a stock photo in picture in it, and there's the empty. So what I did is, remember how I told you about those cotton cut stickers that I love so much? I actually took the cotton cut sticker and took out the stock photo that was in there, and inside I put my cotton cuts sticker there, and I thought it turned out really cute. And then you just pop it in the back. And then, ta-da! So I've already opened up Delaware. So since Delaware is the first state, I can go ahead and put my card in. And since they're 4x6 cards, they fit perfectly. Just like that. So I thought that was really, really neat. So thank you, Nancy, for the idea, and I hope you enjoy your photo album that you got. And if you want to use a bigger photo album, you can. Because these cards are front and back, it's going to need 2 of these. I realized that after I bought them, because I would have needed one. If it was just a card, had just one side, and it didn't have this side, then we could have enough sheets to put all of them in. But I want to be able to see the front and the back, so I'll have 25 in this one and then 25 in this one. So that wraps it up for the Floral States of America with cotton cuts featuring Andover fabrics, and I just cannot wait to dive in and sew these along with you. There is one question I have for you, and I want to see what you think. When I was talking to Nancy, she goes, Martha, I would really like to know if there's a way that I can keep these blocks together, because there's going to be 50 of them. So how are you going to remember that that one is Connecticut? So we're going to come up with something. If you have any ideas on what you think that you might use to put them and keep them together, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. I bet that someone out there has an idea of a great way to keep these organized. So until next time, I will see you soon. Take care, y'all. Bye.